Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix messenger request not showing on Instagram. For example, if you open your Instagram and if you click on your messenger and if you click on request then there are no requests shown, and if you refresh it then there occur an error which is as couldn't load message request. This kind of error occurs for many reasons. One of the reason is you have to click on your hidden request and you have to click on manage hidden words preferences. After that you have to turn on the hide message request. If this toggle is turned on, then this kind of error will occur. If you must sure that this toggle has been turned off. After that you also make sure that the below hide message request toggle is also turned off. After doing all the things, hope this will fix your error. If the problem is still there, you can go for another method, which is as you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the update of your Instagram. After opening the Play Store, you have to search for Instagram here. Here you have to search for Instagram. After searching Instagram, you have to search whether your Instagram is showing any kind of update. If it is showing any kind of update, you have to update your Instagram app. After updating, you can open your Instagram and hope this will fix your error. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.